my beautiful Virgos, welcome back to Tarot Talks. I hope you guys are doing good and are safe with your family and loved ones. So Virgos, today we are going to do the reading for your sign for the month of November 2020. Please note that this is a general reading and it might not resonate with all, okay? So take what resonates and leave the rest, okay? You would also want to check the other placements in your chart to get a better and clear understanding. Also, before we begin, Virgos, I just want to inform you guys that there is a little, there is someone playing loudspeaker down the street, and there might be a little disturbance in this video, but that is something which is really out of my control, and I truly apologize for the sounds and this thing, disturbances. Virgos, coming back to you, while I was meditating, I was I was getting energy of someone being like really impatient. Someone is working very hard and doing a lot of things, working round the clock, in fact non-stop, doing one thing after the other during the daytime, but that is making that person really edgy and tired. Maybe that person is not realizing that, okay? But yeah, I could feel the energy of a lot of irritation and impatience and a little crankiness, okay? I could also feel that someone is being super flexible, super flexible in terms of collaborating with others, helping each other, working as a team, as a part of team, adjusting or making adjustments to their own schedule, for example, to accommodate others, that kind of energy also I could sense. Flexible was the kind of words that kept on coming to my mind. Yeah, so with that, let's get started, guys. Let's see what we have for you guys in store for November 2020. Yep, I'm not surprised we got that card. I'll tell you later. Yeah, we have got your card as well. Okay. A little similar energy to which one was that I did yesterday? I don't remember the reading that I did yesterday, but a similar reading I got for another sign. 5 of Cups. Yeah, something is disturbing you guys. King of Pentacles. Well, over 10 of Swords. Yeah, some endings. Yeah, 9 of Pentacles. Collaboration. Yeah, definitely you guys are collaborating and working as a team. That's what I could sense during meditation also. So yeah, so your present energy is 9 of Wands. This is exactly I got yesterday for Pisces. Yeah, if you have Pisces in your chart, or if you're dealing with another fellow Piscean, please check out that reading also. This was exactly the placement of the present energy, and the cards were similar to the ones that I've got now, and trust me, I have shuffled a lot before this reading. Okay, so let's see what we have. 9 of Wands is your present energy. Like I said, you guys are really working a lot, working very hard, trying to do too many things, multitasking, and that is actually exhausting you. It's actually sucking all the energy out of you, but probably you're consciously not realizing it. Slow down, you guys, just slow down, sit down, take a deep breath. You really need to slow down. That's what I really feel for you people. The energy crossing is Ace of Swords, so probably it is something new that you're working on, new project, new venture, new business, starting something new, and that is the reason why you're working so hard. You're working towards laying the foundation, gathering the right resources, contacting the right people, collaborating with the right people. That kind of energy I can see, because the energy crossing is that of Ace of Swords, which talks about new beginnings, new thoughts, new ideas. Okay, so you are completely focused on whatever this new thing is, new chapter that is beginning in your life, and you're putting all your energy into that. Okay, yeah, you got this idea a couple of weeks or months back. There is something new that you thought of starting, new idea, a new project idea came into your mind, or new business idea that came into mind, and you are working towards implementing that. And all of your energy is focused into that. Okay, this could also mean someone might have someone new has popped up in some of you guys life in terms of relationship. Someone came up and messaged you out of the blue. Okay, a young energy, probably someone really young or young at heart, need not be young by age, but someone who has very young energy, that person came and messaged you, contacted you and express their emotions and heart to you. Maybe they apologized to you for some reason, maybe you were not on talking terms for some reason, and that person just came out and said, look, I'm really sorry. Okay, the energy in your immediate future is that of Seven of Cups. So this, I feel, guys, is your energy. You are feeling a lot of confusion in your mind, lot of clutter in your mind. Like I said, you're very much tired. Actually, you're not realizing it, and your emotions are all over place. There are too many things going on in your mind, and that is also leading to some sort of confusion. Okay, so that's the reason why I'm saying slow down. That's the thought that is coming to my mind for you guys. Just slow down. Take it easy. The energy at your subconscious, this thing is that of Hermit. Okay, now this, to me, this is Virgo energy. Okay, this is your card. So this, I really feel that you should really slow down, guys. Look deep within. Okay, look at, go into a little introspection mode. Isolate yourself for some time of the day, at least some time of a day. Find some quiet time, find some me time wherein you will be totally with yourself. Okay, do some meditation, focus on your energies, focus on how you're feeling. Okay, so that is the kind of energy that I'm feeling you should really do at your subconscious level. Okay, a little bit of isolation during a day will help you guys a lot. The energy crowning is that of Two of Cups. Now this could be a new relationship that is coming to fruition, or this could also be you guys entering into partnership with someone in terms of work or business, and that looks more of the case to me. Someone entering into new business in partnership with someone else. Okay, in conjunction with someone else. And if it's a new relationship, it's going to be a good one, guys. Don't shy away from it. Okay, this is going to be a good relationship if it is if at all it is coming your way. Okay, please be open to it, to whoever that is applicable. Advice: Five of Pentacles. Yeah, some conflicts at workplace, probably, but you don't have to worry. Just be assertive. Sorry, just be assertive, just be positive in your attitude, and face it with a little positive attitude, I would say. Okay, I know there are certain things that are not that might not be happening as per your wish. Okay, you might not be agreeing with people, others at your workplace, or others might not be in sync with you, but that's how usually it is. And just try to stay calm. Okay, don't I know it's a little what do we say, it's a little disturbing for you guys. You are feeling a little left out, probably. Maybe this isolation could also be at workplace for some of you guys. Sometimes at some workplaces there could be a situation where there happens groupism happens. That kind of energy also might be there, is what I feel from this reading to some of you guys, and that is really leaving you worried and a little sad. Okay, in your external influences, there is this death. Okay, maybe you guys would want to end something. Maybe you are deciding to quit this relationship, and no, not relationship, sorry, could quit this job, because I think this is related to someone's job. Okay, probably you guys are deciding to leave this job and take up some new opportunity, some new job, new venture, maybe start your own business. That could be the case, but this is definitely end of something. Okay, end of one cycle. If it is in terms of anyone's relationship, I am really sorry, guys, if you have to go through a painful period, but know that this is some things are ending for your betterment, okay? Though we are not seeing it right now, definitely and definitely, trust me, something better is in store for you. I'm not just being preachy or anything, but this is how it is, you know. This is one karmic chapter that you are closing. You were meant to close this chapter, you were meant to go through this, okay? But now that the energies will come to you, will be completely new, okay? Like a new dawn. Oh yeah, I'll talk about it later. The card New Dawn kept on coming from this deck, you know. So in your hopes and fears, this three of swords. So yeah, a difficult time, a little difficult time. It's about heartaches, heartbreaks, disappointments, but trust me, guys, you'll be up for some new beginnings, brand new beginnings, because there is Ace of Swords also here. So keep on going, hang in there, okay? Don't give up. This Death card and this Three of Swords definitely means that this endings, whatever it was not easy for you guys. Of course, endings are most of the time painful, you know. That's understandable, but just hang in there is what I would say. In your energy or in the possible outcome, there is this Page of Swords. So I really feel that this is Page of Cups and Page of Swords. Now I really feel this is the same person wanting to come back in your life, wanting to apologize to you. If you have not heard from anyone, if someone has really disappointed you and you know let you down, know that that person might come back again and apologize to you. That person had behaved in a little immature way, and that person might realize their mistake and come back and apologize to you, okay? The energy could be reversed, guys. If it is you, then think of apologizing to whoever it was, okay? And move on, you know. Forgive and move on, okay? Forgive yourself and forgive that person. This to me also, I feel that you guys are researching on something, you know, studying something new, completely new. Like I said, some of you might be planning switch in career, okay? And you guys are researching about that, you know, doing all the study, approaching it with a childlike zest and you know, energy and enthusiasm, and working really hard, you know. You really want to start this or venture into this new work line of business or new assignment or new job, you know. That kind of energy I'm getting to whoever this is applicable. Yeah, so in your overall energy, there is Five of Cups. Someone is definitely sad and heartbroken because there is some ending happening here, because we can see Ten of Swords also. Ten of Swords and Death card definitely tells that you guys are ending something, closing one chapter of your life for sure, okay? And yeah, it's not going to be an easy thing. I also feel that for some of you there was a kind of backstabbing, you know. Literally, you know, someone literally put you down, broke your trust, broke your heart, you know. And yeah, you are completely saddened, and you know, you are in kind of disbelief, like, oh really, I mean, really this person has done this to me. That kind of energy I'm feeling here, and I completely understand, and I'm sorry you guys have to go through this, you know. Yeah, so there is Three of Pentacles. Like I said, some of you guys are this I was feeling right from the beginning of the reading. You guys are collaborating with people, you know, collaborating with the experts, working as a team, you know, being an active team member, participating, and you know, working towards that new project or new assignment, whatever it is. Yeah, that's what I see. Lot of teamwork and lot of collaboration happening over here over something. Maybe that new project that you guys are starting. Okay, it's a joint work, team effort. Maybe a team of 3 also could be, not necessarily, but that could be the case. Yeah. Nine of Pentacles. Yeah, some of you are kind of wishing something. I think that it's the new job. I strongly feel this reading is about more of a career related thing than personal. This is you who is kind of manifesting new job, though you are very much what do I say, you are in a good and sound condition financially in your current job or in your current business, but there is something more that you want to progress towards, okay, and you are working towards that is what I see, and I feel that you are going to get that, okay. You sure are going to get that new opportunities, what I see. You're here right now satisfied and in full glory, you know, in terms of material possessions. Yeah, but you are aiming for something more, okay. Want to progress ahead in your career, you know, want to venture ahead in your career is what I feel. Let's see what we get for you from this beautiful deck. So the card that I was talking about was New Dawn, okay. That popped out twice while shuffling. So let's see if we have it here. Okay, this one flipped out. Stay positive, stay optimistic. Your dreams are coming true. Don't quit right before the miracle occurs. Wow, this is a lovely card and a lovely message, guys. Like I said, some of you are working hard towards manifesting something, you know, manifesting that dream job, dream career, dream assignment, dream project, and you're very much close to achieving the results, okay. So even if there are little hardships here and there, don't quit, guys, okay. That's the message that I strongly feel the guides want to give to you. Let's see what we have for you from this beautiful deck. Yes, Spirit Guides, Guardian Angels, what message do we have for my beautiful Virgos? Okay, something has finally just popped out and jumped out. Let me pull that card, guys. Wow, that's a nice interesting message. Sorry guys, I have to move the camera a little. Yeah, the message is step out of your comfort zone. So whatever new venture that you're planning out, if you're remaining in your comfort zone, then try to expand, explore new options, guys, and there might be endless possibilities lying out there for you. So yeah, lovely message to whoever this is applicable. So Virgos, I'll leave it at that. I hope you like the reading. If so, hit the like button. Do let me know your thoughts about the reading by dropping comments in the comment box. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. Okay guys, so see you next month. Stay safe, stay blessed. Bye. Take care.